Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Continuing our lecture series on immunology, today we will cover with 3 points, 3 cells, eosinophils, basophils and mast cells. So first, starting with eosinophils, these are the granulocytic cells which are formed from the myeloid lineage during the hematopoiesis. These are formed in a bone marrow and the concentration of eosinophil in blood is 1 to 3%. This circulates in blood and then resides in tissues. So these are the cells of eosinophil. Eosinophils are having bilobed nucleus. दो लोब होते हैं इनके न्यूक्लियस में, that's why we call it as a bilobed nucleus. And cytoplasm is a granulocytic cytoplasm. Granules होते हैं, ये cells phagocytic cells है, इसलिए इनके cytoplasm में phagosomes भी होंगे. These are the crystalloid granules which will have a lysozyme in them. These cells are active against parasitic organism. जो parasitic infections होते हैं उनके against eosinophils काम करते हैं. इन्हें eosinophil कहा जाता है क्योंकि ये acidic dye eosin red से stain होते हैं. That's why these are known as eosinophils. अब इसके बाद हम देखते हैं what are basophils. Yes, the next one are basophils. These are having a lobed nucleus as the eosinophils were a bilobed nucleus. Basophils are having there is a single lobed nucleus is there. Then glycogen is there for the energy conservation or for providing energy, and granules are there in a basophils. These are non-phagocytic cells. These doesn't work as a phagocytic cell. These stands with a basic dye methylene blue, and that's why we call it as a basophils. The concentration of basophil in circulating blood is very less. That is, less than 1% basophils are present in circulating blood. These are active against allergens. So these stimulates the allergic reactions in during the immune response. The granules present in basophils contain the pharmacologically active substances which stimulates the allergies. बेसोफिल के अलावा जो दूसरे सेल्स होते हैं जो एलर्जिक रिएक्शन क्रिएट करते हैं वो होते हैं मास्ट सेल्स. तो mast cells or basophil, these are the two cells which are involved in allergic reactions. These are the cells which are synthesized in bone marrow. वो pre-mast cell की तरह synthesize होते हैं, circulate होते हैं, and then it enters into tissue. और उसके बाद that get differentiated. कौन से tissues में mast cells होते हैं? Skin में होते हैं mast cells. उसके बाद connective tissues of various organs, these contains mast cells. Secondly, it is present in a mucosal epithelial tissues of respiratory, urinogenitary and digestive tracts. तो इन सारे tissues में mast cells present होते हैं. और अगर allergic reactions create हो जाती है तो उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है मास्ट सेल्स. IgE टाइप की जो एंटीबॉडी होती है वो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस क्रिएट करने के लिए. मास्ट सेल्स आर हैविंग अ रिसेप्टर्स फॉर दिस एंटीबॉडी IgE. If that antibody encounters with some allergen, then it along with that allergen it get attached to the mast cells. और इसके बाद mast cells हिस्टामिन नाम के सब्सटेंस रिलीज करते हैं। हिस्टामिन के साथ ही सम फार्माकोलॉजिकली एक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस आर आल्सो रिलीज्ड और उसकी वजह से जो एलर्जिक सिम्टम्स होते हैं वो हमें दिखाई देते हैं। So we need to remember that mast cells and basophils, and along with this IgE type of antibody is responsible to create the allergens. So here we have concluded with today's video. I hope you like my videos. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.